Making this Italian cheesecake is not a very easy recipe, so it doesn't quite fit the theme of my videos. However, I wanted to try it, so bear with me. While you do not need many ingredients for this recipe, it is important to treat your ingredients the right way. And first, we're going to use 2 small eggs and split the whites from the yellows, which is always a challenge. Make sure your yellow stays complete and place it in a big bowl. Set your egg white aside and add 100 grams or half a cup of sugar to the yellows of your egg. Then mix those two together with a whisk. Add a tablespoon of vanilla sugar to it. Together with 250 grams or 1 cup of ricotta. Fun fact, ricotta is not really cheese, it is instead cream together with the leftovers of cheese making. Mix your ingredients together once again. Till a nice smooth mixture. Add some skin rasp of a single lemon to it. About a teaspoon worth should be enough. Together with most, but not all, of the lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of potato starch to your mixture. And once again, mix everything together until it is nice and smooth. Then set it aside, because now we're going to do the most difficult part of this recipe. Whisking egg whites. The trick for whisking egg whites is to make sure that all your materials are completely free of grease, which is easier said than done. However, adding some lemon juice to it will help with this process. I recommend you use a mechanical mixer instead of a hand whisk, because it will take a while. Whisk your egg whites on a low power until they get stiff. Whisking egg whites is a really tricky thing to do, because a little bit of fat in your equipment and it won't get stiff. However, if eventually you get some stiff peaks if you do this, then you know it went well. I am pretty happy it worked out this time, because most of the time I fail at doing this. Anyway, since I did not add any sugar to my egg whites, it will quicker fall apart, so I have to hurry up a bit. Whisk your egg whites softly into the rest of your mixture. Grease an oven tray with butter. Pour your mixture into it. Gently. My oven tray is a little bit big, but that's alright. And place in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. I really should have used a bit smaller shape because this is the flattest cake I've ever made. Oh well. Sprinkle some powdered sugar over your cake. And get ready to eat. Apart from the fact I made this way too thin, I think it turned out pretty well. It smells like vanilla and lemon. It is soft, it is creamy, it is still warm, and it is completely gluten-free, depending on the kind of starch you use, of course. And you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.